Documenting my trades. This was Wednesday, the 7th of December. 2 trades, one in London, break even, and actually traded in New York. Just because I marked up the POI analysis, my alert went off, so I took the trade. Normally I don't trade New York. First time in a while, so I'm going to document it, and yeah, it's definitely helping. So, we are in this bullish leg. Reacted from a higher time frame POI, weekly, daily, 4 hour, swept liquidity before seeing some bearish price action. And this was a POI I marked up in my pre-analysis for the session. Sweeps liquidity, and here causes this low to fail, break of structure. Not much, but it's in Thailand, Nignoi, little. And yeah, so I had this POI marked up, but this is for obviously for another time. The edge. You can see in the pre-analysis that I put at the end of the video, is like, this is a break of structure and a pullback, so we are in demand, but it's quite high up on the overall leg. So my thoughts was we may come into here to see lower prices to then continue the momentum, bullish, or this is ultimately where we would see a change of direction, trend change. Just always try to stay neutral, paint a picture for both sides. I paint a story, or build a story, but I only need a 1 to 5, and I've took 2 break evens. I think it's 2 trades, two break evens in December. So this trading session, I was trying to just secure a 1 to 3, you know, build the profits and see what I could accumulate if I'm taking 1 to 3s or 1 to 5s. But yeah, I had a great November, so let's just see what December brings. And 15-minute. This was the overall leg, but so I did feel like we were going to come up to here, but maybe, you know, not during the London session. But I did have an alert set here which we're hitting New York. So I was observing this recent order flow leg, this break of structure here. There's this sweep of liquidity, break of structure. So the rules were met for this POI, depending on what the 1 minute shown. So I had 2 POIs marked up for the session. The edge, which would have loved to have seen the 1 minute display its hand in this POI. Here, liquidity to take, which is a great sign. Liquidity swept. And I had this POI marked from this sweep. Break of structure for both POIs. I know we're in premium, so all rules are met on the 15-minute. And I had my alert set here, just waiting for it to go off. And then just observing price to see how it was looking. Here there wasn't really any, there is a market shift, but no really good demand interaction for myself. And similar thing here, not really too much, but there was, I'm backdashing, and I only just took this trade yesterday, left, had my trading session, done New York, had spent my day in Thailand, Muay Thai or whatnot, so I'm not completely 100% sure what all price action does, but I'm going to go through it like it was live. So this sweeps liquidity, and you know, we tap this refined POI. LSL is swept. So can we get a 1 to 3? Let's see. This is a demand interaction, which is good to see. This would be my market shift. The low put in a high is broken. Demand, yeah. Shift. So yeah. Yeah, we're here just printing, you know, some liquidity to take on the way up, which is a good sign. Be great if it was above the POI. But I said in the previous video, you could see on MT4 it's a bit quicker than when you see on TradingView. So this is, you know, like enticing people to come in and sell, then have been taken out. Enticing people to sell, been taken out, and then the real move goes once, you know, majority of people's been taken out. They no longer want to take another loss or enter the market. That's the way I see it. So yeah, coming to tap in the POI. So this is the liquidity sweep POI. Takes out all this. So this, it's like yes, and then we printed another doji candle, and I entered with a 3 pip stop loss. And I was targeting a 1 to 3 with comms. Look at that. I didn't hit take profit, and I was actually taken out for break even. So close. Yeah, it is what it is. I thought we'd maybe come into here. The price was going to continue higher to this POI. This one, not playing game. But yeah. So that was my London short. I'm going to go into another video and do New York, so the videos are not too long. But hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, it's good for me to document. Ultimate price flies up, yeah. Takes this liquidity. But yeah, see you in the next video.